Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Karis Darmawan, ID 21040227. I'm class A. This video, I will explain about the Katam application. Before going into the explanation, the Katam application can be downloaded from the Play Store. Explain a little about the Katam application. The Katam application is a good or tool that provides spatial and tabular information about season prediction, early planting time, cropping patterns, potential planting area, droughts and food-prone area, recommended dose and fertilizer requirement, suitable varieties, unirrigated paddy flats, irrigated rice flats, rain and swamps, based on climate forecast. This application was launched by Balit Bangtan, which was financed through the budget on the Research Institute Sector Agroclimate and Hydrology 2020. Alright, just go to the explanation of the application. Okay, well, we are already in the application menu. We can see here there are 4 menus that we will study one by one. The first, in the Katam menu. This Katam menu is for use to fill in what variety we choose. For this fertilizer menu, there should be types of fertilizer here. Types or fertilizer such as single fertilizer, compound fertilizer, but according to what I read from Google, this application support only some high-spec cell phones. So, according to Google My Cell Phone, the specs are still less, so for this menu we cannot show it. Second one, there's an Alsin menu. The Alsin menu, it's a menu to find out how many tools there are in a place. Like, for explains, there is tractor, there is a pumps, there is a rifle, there is a workshop and many more. To go to last one, there are varieties of vulnerability, which means that in a area such as frequent flooding or not being exposed to rain threats. This is an example. Oh yeah, forgot that's above. It's a keyword to fill in an area we want. For example, we just fill it here like the example given, namely Slawi. We press finish. Just what variety do we want to choose? For example, corn. Well, we immediately press the Katam menu. It can be seen from 2022 that the forecast for the Katam in the Slawi sub-district, Tegar Regency. It's apparent that now many hectares are there. What is the prediction of the nature of the rain? What about the rice plant? What the crops, the corn? How is everything here according Balilit Bantang? As for the fertilizer, as I said earlier, we cannot open because our HP does not support. Good for those who go to the Alsin menu. We can see here, for example, is a 1 to Kenau number in Aktor Ngawi district. We can just press the directly. We can see that in 2022, the information on the internal tractor mechanism in the Slawi Tegal sub-district has 28 needs, 27 deficiency, 1 frequency, 96% has sufficiency status like that. This one is the menu for the varieties of tracks. That's the menu to find out what I said earlier. Let's take an example of dogs. We immediately press the vulnerability. There is information in the 2022. The recommended variety is corn in Slawi sub-district, which is prone to droughts, which is high. We can see the recommended variety from Balit Bangtang like that. We try again in Ngawi 1. After we try rice menu, everything is immediately listed here. How much is it? What is the prediction of the rain? What is the rice plan? Everything is here. For example, we use a power reader. Directly listed here. Oh, it means that here is no power reader in Ngawi district. For example, we give rat here. There is more information. What is the recommendation in Ngawi district, where the rice prawns area is very high? So this application is very useful to find out what kids of area has where the land is very necessary. This is very helpful in plantation.
Oke, mungkin itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan pada video kali ini. Apabila kurang jelas, nanti di akhir video saya akan menaruh link mengenai panduan penggunaan aplikasi Katam ini. Mungkin itu saja yang saya dapat sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf, dan juga apabila ada salah kata ataupun salah pengucapan, saya mohon maaf. Saya pamit undur diri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video. Bye bye.